Welcome back guys to another new video. So in today's video I'll be showing you what our upper ball joint look like when it's bad. So this is a bad ball joint, upper ball joint. So I'm going to show the movements that it has. So as you can see there, so a lot of movements there because it's bad. So on the both side of the car, have two bad ball joints, upper. So that's your upper control arm, right there. And this is the lower control arm. So I checked those ball joints already and those are good. But the upper one is really gone. So you can see it's really bad right there. On both sides. So I'm going to show you the other side also. It's really bad, so it make a lot of squeaky noise, squeaky sound, and a lot of boom boom noise. So that's what it look like when your ball joint bad. So now I'm going to show you the other side also. So alright guys, so this is the other side also for the ball joint. At the angle that I'm on right now, I cannot really move the wheel to show you, but it's doing the same thing as that one over the other side. So as you can see, it's really bad also. It's have a lot of play in there. So I'm bouncing the wheel a little, so probably you guys can get a little glimpse of what it's doing. Camera a bit shaky, but it's because I'm trying to get the wheel to move so I can show you, but it's doing the same thing as the other side also. So that's what your ball joint look like when it's bad. So now I'm going to show the car, the type of car. So you can see it's a Mercury. I'm not sure what the year is, but this is a Mercury. So this is the car. So guys, this is what the car look like. This is my jack. Right here is a 3-ton floor jack, my stands. I use it to block up the car for my safety. So guys, when you're jacking up your car and going on it, please remember to use some jack stands for your safety so the car don't drop on you. So that's what it look like. It's have a lot of play in there. I don't know if y'all can see, but if I wrap the wheel like this, it's go in and out. So I should be pushing the top of the wheel and it's going in and out. Yeah, so as you can see right here, it's moving and there's a lot of noise. So you will hear it. I'm going to try and see if I can see the ball joint from here. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I set the camera in an angle. Y'all might can see it. It's have a lot of play there. And I push it, a lot of play and a lot of sound. Okay, so I try to hold the camera at a position. The angle you can see it. So I'm going to move it now. Yeah, so that's what it looks like when your ball joint done. Go bad. And also right here on the radiator, I noticed it have a little leak. It's not so easy to see because the angle where it is, but as you can see right here, where my finger at, it has a little leak right there. Yeah, right there. So also the radiator need to replace. And I also have a power steering issue. Fluid not leaking, but it's really tough. So I guess the valve and the power steering need to change, or I'll replace it, the old power steering system. So guys, if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.